Hello, I got this packet of top trump cards in a MacDonald's Happy Meal yesterday, and I read the how to play instructions and it didn't really make any sense. So anyway, I've researched all the rules for this game called Top Trumps, and today I'm going to run through exactly how to play this game. So I'll put those instructions over to one side. So the first thing we need to do is take the deck of cards that you've got, and these ones have got all different sort of animals on them. These cards, it's a theme. What the theme is actually predators. So the first thing we need to do is shuffle the cards and then deal them out evenly among all the players. And for this video, there's just going to be 2 players. Okay, shuffle the cards, and then one by one, I'll deal out the cards amongst the 2 players. Okay, so there we go. Both players have got their cards, player A and player B. And these cards are placed face down in a pile in front of each player. The starting player is usually one that's the left of the dealer, so I'll say player A is going to start. They turn over their top card and they select a category from that top card and place that in this card in the middle. And what you really need to do is select whichever category has the highest number. And so in this case, they run from probably 1 through to 10. And so the strength, so they're going to call out strength for 8. And then the other player, player B, turns over their card as well. And they've got strength 6. So obviously 8 is more than 6. So that means the first player, player A, wins those 2 cards, and they get these cards and put them under their pile of cards. And the winner from the previous round then turns over the next top card and repeats the process. And this time, they've got 3 to choose from. They can either say size, strength, or deadliness. So we're going to run with deadliness for 5. Flip that over, and this one also has deadliness for 5. So what happens in the case of a draw? Then those 2 cards are left in the middle. And then the winner of the next round wins these cards as well of whatever cards came. They win in the current round. So the winner is still with this one here, this side here, player A. So he or she flips over the next card and says deadliness for 8 as their category. This one, player B, turns over their card then, and they've got deadliness for 4. So then player A wins all 4 cards and puts them under their pile like that. Okay, so then players are eliminated when they lose all their cards, and the winner is the player that ends up with all the cards. Okay, so there we go. That's how to play this game called Top Trumps, which apparently has been a family favourite for over 40 years. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.